Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix eFootball 2027 mobile game stuttering, freezing or lagging problem on Android phones. So let's follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to simply restart your phone. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead and launch the eFootball game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to check for eFootball 2027 app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for eFootball and then tap on eFootball. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to check internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. Now if possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check eFootball 2027 mobile app is working or not. Next fix is to force stop eFootball 2027 app. So tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, the next solution is to clear the eFootball 2027 app cache. So again tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then again tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on app info, tap on storage usage. Now this time tap on clear data. Now take an important note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to allow the background activity for eFootball app. So again tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on app info, tap on battery usage and check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update, and if there are any updates available for your device, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice such as Rapid VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, VPN Windscribe, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the eFootball 2027 app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then simply uninstall and reinstall the eFootball 2027 app. So simply tap and hold eFootball app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then just restart your device once, and once your device restart, then open Play Store, tap on search for eFootball 2027 and then tap on eFootball and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And once the eFootball app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved after following all these fixes, then last thing you must do is to check for the eFootball 2027 app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything to fix the problem. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve eFootball 2027 mobile game stuttering, freezing or lagging problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.